everyone, welcome to Red Boy TV. Today I'll be showing you how to make lemongrass clam soup. The ingredients are quite basic and the preparation is not that difficult at all. So if you're ready, let's get started. We begin by bruising 3 lemongrass, and we're only using the bottom part of the lemongrass. Give the lemongrass a rough chop. Using about 6 kaffir lime leaves, remove the stems. We're going to need about 10 pieces of sliced galangal. Using 4 shallots, give them a bruise, and unfortunately that one escaped me. I'm using 3 bird eye chili, but you can customize this to your own personal likings. Rough chop about 4 to 5 sprigs of fresh coriander. Using 2 limes, cut them into wedges. All our ingredients are ready, let's get cooking. Bring to a simmer 2.5 cups of water. Add in shallots, galangal, lemongrass, and kaffir lime leaves. We then bring this to a boil. Add in our clams once this has reached a full boil. Put a lid on. Check that all our clams are fully open. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar for seasoning. Give this a taste and adjust seasoning according to your personal liking. Add in the chili. Squeeze the lime. Add in fresh coriander. You are now ready to enjoy this lemongrass clam soup. Bon appetit!